Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our today's sessions. Today we will be comparing React and Vite. So we would like to know the difference between React and Vite, and which one will you prefer in creating your React? So this is the CRA Create React App versus Vite. So this is the logo for CRA and this is the logo for the Vite. So what is this Fit is a built-in tool and development server designed to improve the development of modern applications. It does this by dividing an application module into dependencies and source code. Dependencies are modules that do not change often, while source code is typically edited frequently during development. So, if we want to create a React CRA, we use this command and if we want to create a fit app we use this command and I'll show you in as we move forward. And then we cd to our app that we have created, and then we npm start, but for this we npm install and npm run dev. So okay, this is the folder structure of create react app. We have my app, readme.md, node modules, package.json, public, HTML. So under public we have HTML index.html and then favicon. This is the favicon that I'll show you where the favicon is. We have the src, the source folder. Under source folder we have app.css, app.js, app. This one is used for testing. Index.css, but still you can use any other styling framework such as Bootstrap or Tailwind. And then we have the logo. So without wasting time, let us let us see how we can create a React app. So guys, uh, we will see how to create a React app using CRA and using Fit. So we have said if we want to create a React app using CRA with npx create create React React app, and then we give the name. So for this case, let's say we want to give, no, first of all, let me create a folder, mkdir React. So we cd into our folder. So once we cd into our folder, let's now create React app. Then we give my app, or we can use CRA. Then we run. Then we run. We forgot to add npx, so let us add npx, and then we create our app CRA, and then we run. We will be running both the fit and the CRA so that we can compare which one is faster and which one is a bit slower. So let's move to so how did we say we are creating our app? So okay, so for my case, I will use, so this is a command now to create a React app using Fit. So we just click enter and then it asks us for a name. So we will write, for this case, Fit, so that we compare the structure, and then we choose from this. We can either create for Vanilla JS, Vue, React, Lit or SV, Lit or others. So for our case, we will choose React, and then we choose from either we want to use TypeScript with SRW or JavaScript. So our case, we will use Java. We will use JavaScript. So now we are done. Our project is done. You can see this one is installing and we started with this. So let us start this thing. We cd into fit and then we check. So once we cd in, we npm install. So let's wait for it to install. Okay, I've seen this one is done. So we cd cr. So let us cd to CRA using these commands with the ref given. So let's cd there and then let's open our code. So you open the VS code, we write code and then stop, and it will open for us the code. So this is the CRA, as you can see, CRA. Welcome CRA. So okay, fine. So this one is almost done. So it's done. Okay, it's done. So cd fit. So okay, let's open the code so that we can compare the folder structure. So this one is our fit fit project. So this is CRA and this is fit. So we have the port, we have the node modules, and we have the node module. We have public, we have SRC, we have SRC, and then this is what I told you guys earlier. We have index.html. We also have index.html and this. So under node modules, uh, there is no much difference. So in public we have this, and then let's see the public we have fit, only fit. Here we have index.html, and this one we have index.html outside the public source folder. Okay, so under SRC of the source folder, for CRA we have app.css, we have app.js, updates.js, index.js, index, and those on. So with SRC, we have a folder known as assets. We have app.js, and then these ones. So I think guys, if you knew the similarities. Next, we are going to build an app using both fit and CRA. Our start, but for our subsequent, I'll be taking you through on how to create a React application. React is a front end development tool used to create a front end application. So guys, subscribe and comment so that we will it will assist us or guide us as we create our next subsequent videos. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.